I've got the rope stuffed in the top. I've got it clamped off. This thing's reverse thread, so you're tapping it clockwise to loosen. And just like that, I think this baby just popped free. Yes. So there's the clutch assembly removed. Just like that. Drive gear on this thing actually looks pretty good. 2 screws, Phillips. I don't know, that feels a little loose. It's a full-size Phillips. Okay, put those there for the moment. A flat screwdriver, though, would not hurt. And out it comes. The gear on the spindle seems fine. Let me clean this up, and then I might give it the complimentary blow job. I gotta find some brake cleaner. Okay, don't tell anybody you saw this. I got no airflow. Well, I've screwed with it as much as possible, and I'm gonna have to get a oil pump for the bar lubrication system. I just can't get the other one to work. It won't put out any oil. So we'll order that, and that might be the only piece I need. Whoa! Last night, right before I went to bed, I think I got a flash on what's wrong with the pump oil lubricator on the chainsaw. So stand by for that future video. I think I can fix it without buying a replacement. We'll see.